Now let's learn our division facts for the 8 times table. 0 divided by 8 is 0. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2, because if we have 16 counters, we can make 2 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3, because if we have 24 counters, we can make 3 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 3. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 88 divided by 8 is 11. And 96 divided by 8 is 12.